Hello and welcome to the Australian Inventors Laser Lab. This episode we're going to take a black and white picture straight off Google and we're going to put it into Windows Paint Shop. We're going to need to modify the picture to enable the laser to actually etch everything, because if the lines are, how can I say, broken or too fine or too grey, what happens is the laser doesn't print it, so you miss part of the picture. So you have to make sure that the clarity is there. So it's got to have a high resolution, high clarity to make a good picture come out in material. And we're going to try different materials. We're going to try some hardwood and we're going to try some acrylic plastic. I might try a bit of softwood as well, and let's see how we go. So let's open up the Microsoft Paint, and then we'll just, I've got a photograph here that I quite like. Okay, so this is a Tasmanian devil. That's what it looks like. Now here around the ear and across by the nose there, you'll find that there are very light grey and white areas. So when the laser scans through here to cut this into the material, it'll miss this out altogether. So we're going to have to modify this. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick a pencil, fine line, black, and we're just going to come in here and around the ear, especially here. We just follow this around. Don't have to be sort of too exact. Might look a bit bitty, but in actual fact it comes out quite a lot better. Now then, the important thing here is to save it as a bitmap picture. So we'll save this picture now to our memory device and go to the other computer and put it into laser cut and convert it to a file that the laser understands. Okay, so simply just take the new file. I'll just open the new file and show you, so you can see now it's more prominent around the ears and the nose. I've cleaned it up even a bit more actually, and this now will cut reasonably well, I think. So we'll just drag and drop that into there, and we'll take it over to the other computer now and put it into laser cut. We come up here now and we import a picture. There it is there. Ooh, so I think we need to resize that. It's very big, but you can see this is a good example. A bitmap picture is saved like a newspaper printed picture. It's pixelated. So now what we're going to do, it's very big. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to put handles around it, and we're going to now resize it. At the moment it is 2.5 meters, over 2.5 meters in size. Actually it's a lot more than that, it's 25.6 meters. It's a very, very big picture. So now we're going to squeeze it down to a more manageable size, I think. I think we'll do 50, maybe 75 millimeter. 75 millimeter, 75 millimeter, that's okay. Okay. That's better. Now then. And I think what we'll do is I think we'll just leave this as a one cut. Not a cut exactly, sorry. One click on that. We're going to engrave it. Let me see. Now we're going to put it into dark wood or hardwood actually. So we want to, I think we're going to need a heavier amount. So we're going to go 25 on here. And we're going to go 18 on here, I think. Or 16. We'll go 16. 16, 25. We'll give that a shot. Okay. Calculate that. And then we'll download it to the machine. Okay, so I've got a odd scrap of, it's actually one that I've had on the CNC router and made a mistake. So I'm using the back side of this just to gauge how this is going to perform. This is myrtle, by the way, Tasmanian wood, but it's a hard dark wood. I have got darker wood which we'll try as well, but we'll give this a try first. Okay. So we're going to send the table right down, and we'll use the automatic setting device then to set it up. This incidentally comes with the machine as well. If you order the automatic Z, it's on the back of here there's a proximity sensor. You just simply press the Z datum, and that's correctly set. It's actually 9.5 millimeters off the wood. There's a 2-inch lens in here. The lens is about here. So let's set the X and Y 0. Oh, too far. That'll do. And we set the datum actually on here. And that's done. So now we'll do a test square to see whether everything's correct. Okay, and we'll set it off. And you know, that's come out pretty good. You can just feel that the laser has etched out, probably about maybe a couple of thousandths of an inch. And now you can see the difference it makes by making prominent around the ear here and along the nose area there. Otherwise you would have just lost it. It would have been white all the way through there, in other words not burnt. But that is not bad. I'm pretty happy with that actually.